So over here you can see that I got a bunch of objects, but there's no details on this whatsoever. So in order to generate out details, what I'm going to do is use something known as an SDRi image. So SDRi image is a 360-degree image that can be used to wrap up the 3D environment so that you can generate lighting out of it and use it as a background as well at the same time. So to do that, I'm going to go around into shading, and over here you can see that I'm in the world view, but you may be in the object view. So if you're on the object view, make sure you're on the world view right here. And you can see that a background it is attached to the world output on the surface. So I'm just going to go around right here, delete this, and to bring in an SDRi image, I'm going to press Shift A on my keyboard, and then I'm going to go to texture and bring in an environment texture right here. So I'm just going to drag the color onto the surface right here. And this is what you have because there is no SDRi image assigned right now. So to assign an SDRi image, you can click on open right here, and then you can go around over here into the drive and then select out the SDRi image. In my case, I'm selecting Studio Garden right here. So I'm going to open up this image, and now you can see this. So this is the Studio Garden, as you can see. And according to the light in the Studio Garden, you can see that the image is generated right here, along with reflection, as you can see over here as well. So depending on the image you choose, so I'm just going to go around and then open another image. So I'm just going to click here. And if I were to select out tube right here, now you can see that this is what happens. You can see that there's a bit of a reflection over here. Another thing that you can do is you can go around over here and select cycles as well for a more precise rendering, and you can see that all the calculations is done right here. So I'm just going to go around and then go over here onto the Studio Garden itself. So this is what you have. As you can see in cycles, you can see the reflection right here. On the bottom part there's shade and so forth, and you can see that according to the environment, it has generated out the lighting automatically without having for us to calculate everything out. So if I were to go into layout, you see that as long as I'm in the render view, this is what you see. Let me just go around and shade this smooth and shade everything smooth right here. Shade smooth and then shade smooth right here, just like this, and there you go. So you can go around and you can see that environmental lighting is applied right there. Let me just go around over here on, and then instead of cycles, let's select Eevee so that it has the GPU rendering right here. So this is what you have. So if you were to go around right here, change around the base color, you can see that now the lighting is automatically calculated, and you don't have to worry about so much of things. So that is how you can use the SDRi image inside of a Blender project so that you can generate out lighting with the help of it. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.